In today's fast-paced industrial world, clean water isn't just a necessity, it's the lifeblood of production. Welcome to Ultratech, where we're revolutionizing water treatment with our state-of-the-art industrial reverse osmosis plants. Reverse osmosis, or RO, is the gold standard in water purification. But at Ultratech, we've taken it to the next level. Our industrial RO plants are designed to handle the most demanding environments, from pharmaceuticals to food and beverage production. Whether you're in manufacturing, power generation, or municipal water treatment, Ultratech has the solution for you. With advanced automation and real-time monitoring, our RO plants optimize performance while minimizing downtime. Ultratech RO plants consume up to 30% less energy than conventional systems, slashing your operational costs. But we understand that one size doesn't fit all. That's why our modular design allows for easy scalability and customization to meet your specific needs. From small-scale operations to massive industrial complexes, Ultratech is there, ensuring every drop of water meets the highest standards of purity. Backed by our team of expert engineers and 24/7 support, you're never alone in your water purification journey. Ultratech Industrial RO Plants. Purifying water, empowering industry, shaping the future. Contact us today to learn how we can transform your water treatment process.